We all love these moments. An active day in fresh open air. Breathing deeply is balm for the body and soul. Dry, dusty rooms, however, afflict our health seriously, especially during winter. Our children are the ones suffering most. The consequences: sneezing and coughing, affected vocal cords, reddened eyes, dry skin. With our help, you can change that. Put an end to the results of dry air by regular humidification, thus improving the air of a room and your well-being remarkably. The powerful AeroSwiss steam humidifier system heats water to the boiling point. The generated steam is free of bacteria and minerals. Filter mats and water additives are not required. Independent of water quality and hardness, the steam humidifier guarantees the most hygienic air humidification. Thanks to the hand-warm steam output, this system is ideal for families with children. The S450 achieves a humidity output of up to 550 grams per hour and is suitable for rooms of up to 60 square meters. The Auto and Econ modes ensure an ecological operation. The output is automatically regulated by the integrated hygrostat in order to guarantee the desired relative humidity. The on-off timer can be programmed to automatically switch the S450 on or off. Fragrances can be used as desired to create a pleasant environment. The brightness of the display is automatically dimmed at night. The system automatically regulates the humidity in the room to an optimal level, and hygienic standards are met, thanks to the decalcification mode. So that you can feel at home, like in fresh open air. AeroSwiss, improving your quality of life.